Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. GT350R with a Whipple. That is awesome. We put a ton of Whipples on GT350s. I was so happy to have an R come in this week to get the Whipple Supercharger. I'm gonna make some dyno pulls, but I wanna show you a couple things on this car because this car is actually used, only has 300 miles on it. Not only did we do the Whipple Stage 1 kit, which adds like 350 horsepower and 230 torque, we also did a bunch of cooling mods because this is a track car. So we did our big Adler radiator, a cylinder head cooling kit, thermostat. Let's take a look at these tires. Now this might be kind of hard to see, but I was really excited when I was out in the shop this week when I saw the tires. Check this out. They are war. Now I'm gonna be honest, almost every GT350 that comes in here, the cars always are mint condition as well as the tires. When I saw these tires, I do a lot of road racing, I knew this car's been on the track. And then I heard that's what he uses it for. It's a track car. And not a lot of people that buy the 350R actually go out and do that. So I was really excited to see someone actually unleash the beast. And now with the Whipple on it, it's gonna be a really fast track car. Let's do a dyno pull. One other thing before I make a pull, you might as well see what the Whipple Supercharger looks like if you've never seen it. We've got other videos out there of GT350s with a Whipple, but here it is. Awesome setup. This is a race car, so we also did a set of billet oil pump gears as well as a sprocket. Got a JLT oil separator on there. And it does run factory exhaust manifolds, but we did add some free-flowing exhaust. Enough of this talk, let's make a rip. Every time I make pulls on these, I'm like, I gotta get used. 8,000 RPMs. Simply awesome. Take a little look here. 766 rear wheel horse. We dyno this in SAE on a dyno jet. And 538 torque across the board. Absolutely killer car. Let's take another look at it. GT350R. This is track use. I love it. If you want something like this installed, you can simply email quote@brenspeed.com to get a price, or of course we ship it to you. We have free shipping to the 48 states. You can just get on our website, brenspeed.com. If you have questions about this GT350R, please leave a comment. I'm happy to answer, and subscribe. That's going to stay up to date. Hit the little notification button, and then as soon as I release a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.